In this video, you'll learn how to join a Microsoft Bookings meeting in a quick and simple way so you can get into your appointment on time and without stress. Let's start with the basic idea. When someone schedules a meeting with you using Microsoft Bookings, that appointment usually shows up as an event with an online meeting link attached to it. To actually attend that meeting, you don't need to do anything complicated. You just need to open your calendar, find the appointment, and then join the meeting from there. First, open your calendar. This could be in Outlook on the web, the Outlook desktop app, or the calendar in your Microsoft 365 environment, depending on how you normally access your work or school email. The important thing is that you're looking at the calendar that's connected to the email address where you received the Microsoft Bookings invitation. Once your calendar is open, make sure you're looking at the correct day and time. If your appointment is scheduled for later in the week, use the navigation controls to move forward to that date. It can help to switch between day, week, or month view to quickly spot the appointment, especially if you have a busy schedule. Next, locate the appointment that was created through Microsoft Bookings. It will appear as an event block on your calendar at the scheduled time. The subject line will usually match what you saw in the email confirmation, such as the service name or purpose of the meeting. Click on that appointment to open its details. When you open the appointment, you should see information like the date, time, and possibly the name of the person you're meeting with. In that same window, look for the option to join the online meeting. This is typically presented as a Join Now button or a clearly labeled Join link. When it's time for your meeting, go ahead and select Join Now. If you click this a few minutes early, that's perfectly fine and often a good idea. After you select Join Now, your browser or app may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Allow these if you plan to speak or be seen during the call. You'll usually see a preview screen before you fully enter the meeting. This is your chance to check that your camera is positioned correctly, your microphone is working, and your background looks the way you want it. You can turn your camera on or off and mute or unmute your microphone from this screen. If you're joining from a noisy place, it's a good idea to join with your microphone muted and then unmute when you need to talk. Once everything looks good, confirm any final join option that appears and you'll be taken directly into the Microsoft Bookings meeting. From there, you can interact with the other participants, share your screen if needed, and take part in the appointment just like any other online meeting. To recap, all you really need to do is open your calendar, click on your Microsoft Bookings appointment, and select Join Now to enter the meeting. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be able to join your Microsoft Bookings meeting smoothly every time.